All right, so this is my friend's current barbecue situation. It could definitely use a little bit of help.
So I'm using furring strips and 1x4 cedar planks, and I'm going to cut them to size to fit my wall. I'm going to space my 1x2 furring strips about every 16 inches, and that's going to be strong enough to hold my 1x4 boards without allowing them to warp. You can go a little farther, maybe up to 2 feet. Here I'm attaching my furring strips with concrete screws. I'm putting about 3 screws in each of these boards vertically, and this should hold it nice and tight. Now I'm going to paint my furring strips blue because we're leaving a 1/2 inch gap between all the 1x4s, but I'm also going to stain my 1x4s with a blue stain, which is kind of fun, and I haven't tried it before. We'll see how it turns out. Now that the stain is dry, I can attach my cedar boards. I'm going to use a finished nail gun, and you want to make sure that you level that first board perfectly, and then all you have to do is use 1/2 inch spacers and line each board up after that. I'm going to put in 2 nails on the top and 1 on the bottom of each board, and that's going to help keep it from warping over time because it's going to be nice and secure. So if you have a terrible wall that peels paint because of moisture, this is a great solution that will give you a nice, clean, modern look. And I think the blue turned out pretty good. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe or click on the link to see the rest of this project.